everybody, welcome back to the Genki channel. Today we are gonna do the opening of the new Harley Quinn version from Mafex from the movie Bird of Prey, the caution tape version. So let's see. So as usual, simple box with Mafex, like a window box. There is recently, since let's say 1 year, there is the certificate of authenticity. There is, as usual with Mafex, there is the stand, different options. So as you can see from the window, there is 3 extra pair of hands, the hammer, 2 heads, and an extra hand. A sandwich. Let's see the figure itself. So wow, it's really nice sculpt face. Like it's a little bit weird to articulate because of the jacket, but there is some options, like you can see here, like you can fold different way. No, it's really pretty figure again, as usual with Mafex. So yeah, extra pair of hands to hold the hammer, close fist, and open hand. Harley Quinn hammer with a smiley. Additional face with the open mouth. Let's check it out. So now it's really nice. Little bit difficult to manipulate at the beginning, to be honest, but once you understand the jacket, how it's working the jacket, man, it's good. It's really good. And hold with the hold the hammer. Let's make the hold the hammer position. And here we go, the hammer position. No, it's really nice as usual with Mafex. A lot of details. Like hold the, no, up. Here we go. We hope you enjoyed this opening, and remember, à la fin, l'amour vaincra.